Telling me to do stuff. I'm doing something right now. Well, are we waiting? Are we waiting for somebody? We gotta wait for John. We gotta wait for John to get out of his position. What? Why is yours white, not red? Yours is blue? You just get mugged, Twinkie? I didn't even see it. Alright, where are we at? You kind of killed me. So now I gotta figure out a way to get back. Ooh, there's a motorcycle here I'm about to bribe. Get out of my truck! Because it's mine. Get out of it. Alright, well just meet me over there. I'll take the bike. Oh my god. Simeon wants this motorcycle and I have 2 stars. I don't even want this piece of shit. I'm not on it. I don't have it. I don't have it. I don't have it. Three laps. I'm in last place. John cheated. No. No, you're not. I'm gonna catch up. I feel like I'm going really slow. This is so fun right now. Tweety, what you doing? Uh-oh. Damn. Run into Tweety, run into Twinkie. Yes, you can, but it'll slow them down, so I'll win. It's one more lap. Tweety, there's only one more lap. I just spun out. Now I'm stuck. Oh my god, this is just horrible. Twinkie, you have... Oh my god, just kill me, please. Right? You're such a freaking ball. You ain't winning, nigga. John won. John's the winner. John wins. Oh, I'm sorry, Tweety. Give me my Pegasus vehicle. Stop killing me. Yeah. Yeah. Twinkie. You'll never find me. Whoa! RPG. Oh, John, get over here, bro. Bruh. Bruh. No. You missed. You motherfucker. That'd be Tweety. Or Twinkie. Twinkie and McTweeter. Alright, hey, everybody, let's go get jet skis and then see how far we can make it. Okay, there's this pool right here because I said so. That's why. Do you not want to? Do you not want to go? You don't want to ride jet skis, bro? You probably never rode a jet ski before in your life. John, you see this little pool right here? This little lake, little pond. This is where we're gonna end up. Yeah, we're gonna see. That's how we're gonna get there. Where's Twinkie? Did he really just leave? Oh, he's off the radar, trying to blow me out. Being all quiet and shit. Being all quiet and shit. Here he is. Here he is. Here. No, that's a. You're lying. You failed. You failed. Oh, okay. All right. Hey, all right, Twinkie. In case you didn't hear, we're going to get jet skis. We're going. Alright, bro. Alright. Well, just don't kill me when I'm on the jet ski, okay? Because we're going to get jet skis. Tweety, you coming? The pier. They spawn right next to the pier. Oh. Oh. Hit and run, bitch. Driving away again. You taking the white creeper van? Got the creeper van. It's pretty decent. No. Chicken, I believe, is my... Well, he used to be. Chicken used to be. Well, he doesn't say it anymore when he joins. Whoever gets it, just give it to Tweety. I call the white one because I'm white. Aha! Yeah, didn't even touch the water. What was that? You can't tell. This thing has got like a light blue. It's almost white. He just hit the jump. Oh, the computer getting it. You got your look. He's got his boyfriend on the back. Well, it doesn't it look like a little like a light? It's like a white, but it looks a little more blue than. Tweety, you got one? Tweety, what are you doing? Tweety. Alright, follow me, gentlemen. Get on a jet ski, bro. It's right there. I'm talking to Tweety, bro. John. I see you, bro. I have a cab. I have one cab. One star. Multiple cabs. 1 star. 2,000 cabs. I don't know. Nah, just, try to keep up. If you hold down on the analog stick, you, like, really go flying on the jet ski. Niggas be like, slow down, J Diggs, I can't keep up. I'm like, nigga, just hold down. Tweety just left. Oh shit, I'm on the block. Alright. Yeah, there's a point where you have to grind on the ledge to get to the next available part. Gotta keep them illegals out. Yeah. Support this America's all prayer. Yeah, if you're online. Alright, we're taking a left here, bro. We're going to the pool. Where you at, bruh? You too far back there. That's because I'm slowing down for John.